Good evening. So the Jamaica Tallowas and indeed Cricket West Indies have been insistent on playing matches in the US in an attempt to spread the game outside the Caribbean in recent years. We saw recently where the Jamaica Tallowas lost all three of their matches in the home leg of the CPL, some in farcical fashion, but the complaints, especially from Captain Andre Russell himself, were loud and clear. Don't take away our home advantage. And on the heels of those results, an announcement by Cricket West Indies to host India in Florida next year in July, immediately after the World Cup. But in an interview I did with ESPN Cricinfo American correspondent Peter Della Penna recently, his revelations made me wonder if Cricket West Indies and the Jamaica Tallowas had done thorough research in how they try to market the game to the United States. Now, according to Della Penna, the majority of support for cricket in the US resides in the New York and New Jersey areas, where a number of Indian and West Indian expatriates live. The Tallowas found that out the hard way when there seemed to be more support for the Guyanese and Trinidadian franchises, teams with large numbers of Indian descendants, than for Jamaica's team. The next issue seemed to be marketing, as Della Penna also revealed that a number of the casual American fans that he interacted with had no idea that cricket matches were being held there. The shifting of the home fixtures for the Tallowas to Florida just doesn't make any sense purely from a cricketing standpoint, as they've relinquished the biggest single advantage in sport, that's home advantage. But I understand that the move was based on a number of other factors, including a deal made with the operators of the Central Broad facility. But as for playing international matches in the US, more work needs to be done by Cricket West Indies and the ICC if their objective really is to spread the game to the United States. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.